Okay.
It was overall very nice. There were a few things though that there were timing
Yeah.
issues in a couple of places, and also places where you didn't go down to the D, that you did the D sharp. In a couple of instances, like on the Tristan Schlanke Wittfeld Rauschen. So you were up a half tone, and you did it a little farther along also.
The parallel place in the other verse.
Yeah.
You know where he means, Raymond?
I'm trying to find the
Bottom of the first page.
Tristan Schlanke Wittfeld Rauschen.
Bottom of
Oh,
the
okay.
First one.
Okay, alright.
minor, right? A minor triad. And the same thing is true. And see there. Where is it?
Oh, the second page.
Sie verstehen Bluesen.
Oh, this one's
Right?
okay.
And why do you think you're singing a D sharp?
I don't know.
I do.
Why?
Because at other times it also happens with the D sharp.
Oh.
Top of page 172. That's
Oh, I see. I see. Oh, I see.
Right?
Yeah.
So we get in each verse, we get it first in minor, then in major.
Oh, okay.
Mit den Silbertönen, bottom 173. So you gotta circle those and make sure you know which is which.
I think the song sounds really beautiful in your range and voice style. It's like, it's perfectly
Yes.
awesome.
What was the other timing?
Yeah, there were various timing things. At the end,
Yeah, at the end, oh,
it's 3 plus.
Yeah, I think it was very lovely. We made progress in the last week. A couple of objective things. We straightened out the D's and D sharps.
Okay.
A couple of German things.
Yeah.
And then is with the CHs. Jedes Weiche.
Weiche.
Sure, yeah. Are we clear, everybody, that there are, as Cheryl said last week, 3 CH kinds of pronunciations in German? There's SCH, which is sh, like shoe, right? Like shilling, yeah. Then there's the CH, which is guttural, as in ach, doch. And there is, unfortunately, the exact same spelling, CH, but which is the so-called ich laut, as in the word ich for I, and which is pronounced like hue in English. Ich, weiche. And if there are rules as to when it's which, I don't know them. I mean, I know which is which when I see it,
Yeah.
but does anybody know any rules as to which when it's the ich laut and when it's the guttural?
I've been, looking at this stuff for a while. I think the best answer I've arrived at is that it's regional.
No.
I think it's
Doch, noch.
the vowel,
Uh,
it's like
yeah.
A's.
Well, after A, I think it's
A.
A and O makes it ch,
yeah,
And then
yeah,
I's and
yeah.
I's and
the
A, the E.
yes. Very good, I just realized that. No, please, let's not get into this regional thing. I hear that sometimes. This is not a question of dialect, this is a question of right and wrong.
Well, in singing,
I mean, people in Bavaria will pronounce it the same as people in Hamburg.
Well, because I hear sometimes teachers pushing miscasting and on like niche, and he doesn't make that guttural.
It's not guttural, it's nicht.
Is there a point? I mean, I've heard it a lot saying nicht, but it's more sh than ich. Nicht. Because you hear the sh more, but I mean, I agree that it's not right. I just don't know why they do it.
Jessica,
well, I can explain it. The reason that some opt for it's for clarity of diction, and the way to pronounce it as a German speaker involves having your tongue very low, like underneath the ridge of your bottom teeth, and that's not the custom for some singers.
I see.
I studied with a group of German singers over the summer, and they're like, Jessica, you don't understand. There are some other ways of pronouncing German that you have not thought of in your universe, and so that was one of the things is low. And even now I'm still fighting around with it, but it's, but
Okay, so I think
getting
we-
using the sound, I think, is a way to get around that and still get a clean
So I
sound.
think we're getting into subtleties, and I hope
Yeah.
don't want to exclude the main point,
Okay,
right? Which is that there are three different
Yeah.
pronunciations, basically, right? Okay.
Other stuff.
well, I think that sound that you
wait,
hear in
okay, thank
recordings
you.
is
We've got a
confusing.
Couple of seconds left here. Tell me about the form of this song. And it's not an academic question. What is the form of the song?
Is it our song?
No, the form of it, what's the shape, what's the structure of it? Have you thought about that?
No.
No, okay. Anybody else?
Was it A, it had a, I know it had an A and a B, but did it have a C?
Do you have any idea what they're talking about?
I mean, we've thought about it once, but that's not something that I usually think about.
So-
I think we talked about that last
There are
year.
two verses,
Yeah.
there are two verses and a coda, right? The same music comes twice,
Yeah,
right? But then at the end, something different happens.
okay, yeah.
How does that relate to the poem? Why did you use that structure?
Well, I would imagine that it's sort of the resolution at the end where he's just asking her to come and be with him.
Where does the new section come, the section which is not a repeat?
Come big you for me.
No?
No.
Or that?
Oh, last up to Bruce Bivig.
Right,
Yeah, yeah.
which is, so why does that matter?
It changes the tempo of the song a bit. I mean, it becomes a bit more forceful and fast in a way.
I think the tempo changes, you would have said that.
Because he's
Yeah.
just.
I have a little handwritten note that says not fast.
Oh, okay. Not me, I'm somebody else. Yeah. Oh, that was Bruce. All right.
So what happens in the first two verses? In
It's,
terms of the poem?
it's more melancholic a little bit. It's more. It's about the nightingale and the moonlight and the cleaving.
Yeah. It's
Morning and the mournful sound.
on the run, but yes, it's more descriptive, isn't it?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah,
More mood setting.
yeah.
I know you were gonna say something. You know, yeah, my soft songs,
Yeah.
the moonlight,
Yeah.
the nightingales. Now, what happens in the
It
Add-
becomes
add-on
much.
section.
It's harsher. It's like don't worry about the traders.
No, that's
Don't be afraid.
That's still in the first section.
Oh,
I'm talking about the added, the last page,
oh, you're right.
which is the coda.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. It's just, it's like, don't pity me.
Was it-
Uh,
Lass auch dir die Brust bewegen means,
don't let them pity me.
no, you gotta know what you're
I
saying.
think, yeah, I don't know. Well, that part I've been
You
looking
gotta know what
to.
you're saying, you know what you're saying, you can't sing the song. Okay, you wanna tell me next week what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay, see you then.
All right. I did the other part though.